Hello student, in previous tutorial I explained about the math module and their function. In this video tutorial I am going to explain statics module and the function of this module. So let's go with the first point here. So after importing it, this module provide function to mathematic static of numeric data. Here three functions I typed. The first one is the mean function. This function calculates the arithmetic mean of the number in a list. It means that we have to pass the parameter in list data type. After providing it, we can able to get the mean of the list. Now the second function is median. So this function also returns the middle value of numeric data in a list. It means that after passing the numeric list as the parameter of this function, it will return the middle value of the numeric range. And the third function is the mode function. This function returns a set of data values that appears most often in the list that you provide as a parameter inside it. So like in a discrete series method of mode, it will return the value. Now, so for using these function in your program or module, first you must import this module. So for this purpose, import keyword is used as I used in the previous one in the math module. Now let's go to the second slide for the examples of these functions. See the first line of these examples. Import keyword is used to import this module, and in the second line number list is created and stored into variable, and in third line of code inside the print constructor first module name is typed and dot and then function name, and inside the constructor of function name list variable is passed in which list is stored. So let's go into the Python shell to use this code. Here first import the module, type import statics press enter and define a list with the help of a square bracket. Type values 1, 2, 3, 4 and assign this list into a variable. Here I use L. Now press enter button and type third line code print, and inside the print constructor first type the name of module, method or function name which is mean here, and inside this function constructor we have to pass the variable in which list is assigned, so the L in this case, and press enter and see the result. So this outcome is the mean of the element of this list. Now let's type the code for the second example. Here import keyword is already used, so just create a list, L is equal to, and inside it pass the value as example 4, 3, 2 and 1. Press enter, type print command, and inside this print command first type the module name which is statics, dot and function name which is median here, median, and inside this constructor of this function pass the variable name in which list is assigned, which is L here, and just enter and see the result. It will return the mean position, which is 2.5 here. Now type the code for mode example or the third example. Here import keyword is already used. Now just create a list. L is equal to two, comma 2, comma 3, comma 1. Now type the print command. Print inside this print constructor. First pass the module name, now dot, and then pass the function name, which is mode here, and inside this constructor pass the variable name in which list is assigned, which is L here, and press enter and see the result. Here 2 is the mode of this list and the output is also same.